Hey French horns, this is the tutorial for half scale number 2, concert E flat, your B flat scale. Okay, let's take a look at this one. The first note is B flat, and I always say our B rule is flat first, natural next. So this is a flat, so we're going to use our first finger. If it was natural, we'd use our next finger, okay, second finger. So for B flat, we can look at that up on the fingering chart as well. It's over here in this box that has 2 notes. The second one is our B flat, and there's our picture matching for the B flat and its first valve, like we just said. The next note is C, which we've had before. That's open. Next note is D, first valve. We've had that as well. The next note is our critical note. This is probably the most important note on this scale, and that is E flat. Let's look over and find E flat. Okay, we notice here there's an E. That doesn't have a flat next to it, so it must be this one right here. Flat is to the left of the note, and that is second valve. Okay, second valve for E flat. Then we go to F, which is first valve, and our F is right there. So on the way back down, we've got F, then we'll go to the E flat, then we'll go to D, C, and then B flat. Okay, the arpeggio, the circled notes. B flat, first valve, D, first valve, F, first valve. So again, the arpeggio, just like on scale number 5, is going to be the same fingering throughout, this time with our first valve down. So let's play a test note, and then we'll play the half scale in half notes. B flat test note, go ahead and push down your first valve. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then to do the pass off, we flip to the other side of the page. Okay, so here we are with the flats. Now it's the same scale, okay, but the flats are over to the side. They're in what's called the key signature. So I look over here and I've got 2 flats sitting there, and those 2 flats are going to be B flat and then E flat. So if I want, I highly recommend you take your pencil and to the left of this B, put a flat sign. So it looks kind of like a lowercase b, but it's a line and then a little loop. Okay, so put a flat there in front of the B, and then come here to the E. Remember, that's E flat, probably the most critical note, right? And put a flat to the left of that note. On the way down, too, put a flat here in between the F and the E, and then put a flat here between the C and the B flat. On the arpeggio, the B is flat at the beginning, and the B is flat at the end. But that one's probably less crucial, because if you have first valve down, that's all you need for the arpeggio. Okay, so we'll play a test note, and then we'll play the scale in quarters, and then in halves up for the arpeggio. 1, 2. 2. There you have it.